Hello and welcome to Intro to Compositing for Beginners. We've got a wonderful tutorial showing you the basics of compositing, and it's sure to get you started creating amazing images today. So to start off, what is compositing? Well, compositing is basically combining multiple images. This can be 2 photos, 3 photos, really, there is no limit. Let's say you're taking a photograph and someone isn't looking to the camera in that photograph, well, you can composite multiple images together to fix that problem. Compositing will also allow you to create fantasy type images, like putting a castle on the cliffs right on the seaside. Now, the trick is to get it to look realistic, and that's what this tutorial is all about. We're going to show you what to look for when choosing images or photographing your own images to create realistic composites. From matching the lighting to perspective, colors, camera angles, we're going to explain how every individual component works so you can pull them all together and create realistic composite images. This tutorial is centered around showing you what works and what doesn't work. For each of our examples, we have multiple different images that we pull together, and then we detail in depth why one photo may work better than another, so you can know what to look for when creating your own composite. We also give you helpful tools that you can use to analyze your composites to see whether your saturation may be off or your hue may be off. Maybe your lights are too light or too dark, or maybe your perspective isn't just right. We're going to show you how to correct and fix all of these things. Whether this is your first composite or you've been doing it for years, this course is guaranteed to bring so much more into your wealth of information about compositing. Thanks so much. I'll see you in the tutorial.